So let me talk to you on the topic, how has astrology changed your life? Astrology is just everything from the this is not something which I am telling. This is all what renowned astrologers are talking about. But it differs from the person to person. So I want to talk about a concept called as free will. This free will is something that everybody have right to think in a way they want, and also for the people who don't believe on astrology, so their version is totally different from what from the generally what people believe on astrology. So some people have strong belief in astrology. They go to astrologers or they check astrology for for most likely the events to be happen and all that. They'll be checking from the astrologers, right? So and they want to foresee the events that gonna be performing, because they want to be prepared and they want to be alert enough. For example, when you are moving in darkness, so astrology is like a torchlight. It will make you to be alert. For example, if an astrologer says to you that next year gonna be very tough period for you, what you will be doing is you'll be preparing for those consequences. You will make your money ready for you, and also you'll make the resources ready for you. And also, let's say if the astrologer says that next year gonna be a different kind of year, you'll be having celebrations, you'll be having the luxurious life, you'll be spending money for the luxurious items and all that. So you'll be prepared with the finances to ensure that you are on top of that, right? So for all that, astrology gonna be helping to you, because astrology, let me talk about the planets here. Okay, first planet I would like to talk about is sun. Sun represents your soul. Soul represents what is that your inner consciousness is talking about, your intuition. There is nothing but sun. So sun provides the direction in the life, because we are all directed towards certain thing because of the soul, because of what the soul is longing for. And whereas moon talks about your thoughts, emotions and feelings. So to have a better relationships, you need to have understanding of certain person. So for which you need a support of moon's energy. And Mars energy is all about action taker planet. It's an action taking planet. So the passion to achieve certain thing, and also to make that kind of proper plan to achieve certain things, you'll be able to get from the energy of planet Mars. And planet Mercury is important for the intelligence. You need to exhibit your intelligence in terms of business transactions. And also Mercury is considered as a business acumen planet. So for all the people who are doing business, Mercury should be sitting in the strongest state, should be sitting in the positive state. And fifth planet I would like to talk about is Jupiter. Jupiter talks about wisdom and knowledge. You need a wisdom and knowledge, because that's the light in your darkness, right? That will be acting as a light in your darkness. So Jupiter energy is very important for the expansion of your business, for your growth, for your success. Jupiter plays a major role. And sixth planet I would like to talk about is Venus. Venus is the karaka for your spouse. Okay, so in the male's birth chart, Venus is considered as wife, but the placement of Venus in your birth chart, you can able to estimate the characteristics of your spouse. What kind of what kind of spouse you'll be able to get can be seen from your Venus placement in your birth chart. And Venus also talks about money. Venus talks about luxury. Venus talks about construction, real estate. All these success, whether you'll be able to reap in your life, can be seen from the placement of Venus. Okay, if at all you don't have certain qualities, and let's say some planets are sitting in the negative state, obviously you will not be able to get the positive effects from those planets. So you'll be prepared for such disaster life. Okay, you'll be prepared for the consequences that you're gonna be facing. And the seventh planet I would like to talk about is Saturn. Saturn is a tough master. He will be teaching you in a harder way, right? He will be making may he will make you to undergo certain challenges, certain obstacles in your life, and through that you'll be able to learn the lessons. And once you learn the lessons, Saturn starts granting you enough of his blessings, and also he'll be providing the abundance and prosperity in your life. We have seen this thing happening in many of the renowned celebrities and influencers as well. Okay, and Rahu Ketu planets are considered as shadow planets, and their energies are also required for you, because Rahu is the materialistic planet. If at all you want to achieve certain materialistic things, you need to have energy of planet Rahu. And Ketu is the planet of intelligence and spirituality. You need to have spiritual knowledge for your mind to keep your mind calm and composed, and also you should be doing some part of meditation and spiritual practices to ensure that you lead a purposeful life and a meaningful life. Okay, so this is what generally astrology talks about. Depending upon the planetary alignment in your birth chart, the astrologer will be providing you the predictions, and also it depends upon the astrologer to astrologer. Some astrologers don't have time, don't have patience enough to check all the planetary aspects happening in your birth chart. For that, you need to go to a renowned astrologer who is expertized in astrology, Vedic astrology especially. And in my system of astrology calculations, I use Sage Parashara Hora Shastra because that system I feel it is more accurate, and I have a success track record from clients across the globe. So, if at all you need my astrology consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrology consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. All right, I can able to talk about your relationships. I can able to talk about your business, your career, and also your mindset, your understanding, your relationship with your family members, your real estate business, stock market gains and loss, children, profession, social status, all right, and also your financial blessings, abundance. All those things can be seen from your own birth chart. And also I'll be checking the D1 chart, D9 chart, and the D10 chart. And most importantly, your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth has to be accurate to provide the accurate predictions. All right, so go to a trusted astrologer and get the astrological predictions that will literally change your life, and it will act as a direction in your life. All right, so that's what I want to give as a message to you at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Hurry up and book for the astrology consultation. I can able to help you with your predictions. All right, so take care and bye for now.